Hi guys, Mixie here. For today's video, we will mix grass green semi-gloss latex paint. Grass green is a calming color that makes people feel safe and comfortable, one of the most popular colors associated with nature and positivity. Please support us by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell to keep updated on more upcoming videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter grass green semi-gloss latex paint mix. Let's start by pouring gloss latex raw sienna. Followed by adding gloss latex hansa yellow. Let's also add gloss latex baglio green. Let's now stir the paint very well. Oh, it's more on green. Let's add more gloss latex raw sienna. Oh, it's more on yellow. Let's add more baglio green. Yes, it's almost the same. Just drop flat latex white to make it more lighter and achieve the semi-gloss shape. It's the same color already. Mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.